Hello students, now we are going to see the one more problem on the application of differential equation in the simple electrical circuit. In the simple electrical circuit, generally the linear type of differential equation are used. Okay, this is the special application of the linear type of differential equation. Now let us see the problem. The charge Q on the plate of condenser of capacity C charged through a resistance R by the steady voltage V satisfies the differential equation R into dq by dt plus q upon C is equal to V. Okay, here the initial condition are given. Q is equal to 0 at time t equal to 0. Now show that Q is equal to CV into bracket 1 minus e raised to minus t upon RC. Find the current flowing into the plate. Okay, this is the problem. Now let us solve this problem or understand this problem with the help of diagram. Here the charge Q on the plate of capacitor is given. Okay, and voltage, steady voltage is also given. Differential equation relation is also given, and initial condition Q equal to 0, T equal to 0. We have to find that Q is equal to this and also find the current flowing into the plate. Now let us see how we are going to solve this problem. Now what is the step 1? Step 1 is write the given differential equation as it is and draw the diagram. Here resistance is there, capacitor is there, and battery is connected with this RC circuit. Okay, now the voltage drop across resistance is R into dq by dt. Voltage drop across this capacitor is Q upon C, and voltage across the battery E is the V. Okay, now with this differentiation term, the R is there. Okay, and in the linear differential equation, the differential term is alone. Therefore, we have to cancel this R. For cancelling this R, dividing the whole equation on R on both sides. Therefore, dq by dt plus 1 upon RC into Q is equal to V upon R is a linear differential equation. Okay, now integrating factor is equal to e raised to integration of 1 upon RC dt, which is equal to e raised to t upon RC, and general solution is given by the standard formula. I had simply substitute the value of the P and Q here. Okay, Q into e raised to t upon RC is equal to integration of V upon R e raised to t upon RC dt plus C1. C1 is the constant here. Now again I had simplified here. Q into e raised to t upon RC, V upon R I had taken out of the integration, and by solving this type of integration, that is V upon R e raised to t upon RC dt plus C1. Okay, I have to solve this equation. For solving this V upon R I had take out of the integration. Now e raised to R integration of e raised to t upon RC. Now integration e raised to t upon RC as it is, and the coefficient with the t is the 1 upon RC. This 1 upon RC get divided at the numerator, at the denominator, and after that it becomes the R into C. 1 upon RC becomes the R into C at the numerator. Note this step. I had simply solved this integration. E raised to ax, integration of e raised to ax is equal to e raised to ax upon a. This is the constant term. 1 upon RC is the constant coefficient, and I had simply divide the equation with the 1 upon RC at the denominator, and when it comes to numerator it becomes the RC here plus C1 constant as it is. Now with the Q, I want the alone Q term, therefore dividing whole equation with the e raised to t upon RC. Now dividing by e raised to t upon RC, we will get here Q into e raised to t upon RC upon Q into upon e raised to t upon RC. These get cancelled is equal to V upon R into C. RR get cancelled. Okay, now simply observe this step. RR get cancelled here. Also C as it is, e raised to t upon RC is e raised to t upon RC, that also get cancelled, plus C1 into e raised to t upon RC. Okay, these get cancelled, this and this term get cancelled, then we are getting here R V upon R into C plus C1. Therefore Q is equal to CV plus C1 e raised to minus t upon RC. For t equal to 0, Q is also equal to 0. Therefore 0 is equal to CV plus C1. Therefore C1 equal to minus CV. I had in only substitute the initial condition, that is t equal to 0 and Q is equal to 0. I had calculate the constant C1 as minus CV. Now I am going to put the constant C1 in my original equation. Okay, Q is equal to CV minus CV e raised to minus t upon RC. Therefore Q is equal to CV. I had taken common out of the bracket 1 minus e raised to minus t upon RC. This is equation number 1. Now I is equal to dq by dt. I had differentiate whole equation because current I is equal to differentiation of this equation. CV as it is 1 upon RC e raised to minus t upon RC. Okay, I had simply differentiate this equation, that is I is equal to dq by dt, derivative of this whole equation with respect to t. I had taken the derivative of this equation, constant as it is, derivative of constant is 0, and differentiation of e raised to minus t upon RC is there. 1 upon RC is the constant term. We are dividing this constant term and e raised to minus t upon RC as it is. Okay, now again substitute the given condition. They are given that Q is equal to 0, charge is 0 at time t equal to 0. Therefore we are substituting the given data in our equation of current, that is I. Therefore ddt of Q is equal to ddt of CV. Okay, e raised to minus RT upon C. Therefore I is equal to, after substituting Q equal to 0, this Q equal to 0 and t at time e raised to 0 is 1. Therefore I is equal to V upon R e raised to minus t upon RC is our final equation. Okay, this is the equation of current we are getting here. Current I is equal to V upon R e raised to minus t upon RC. We have only differentiate equation 1 with respect to t, and this is the answer of this differentiation, and hence we are getting the expression for current, which is equal to V upon R e raised to minus t upon RC, which we have asked in our given problem. Hence we find out the current flowing in the plate of this capacitor. This is the current. Okay, thank you student. If you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.